Hey everybody, Melissa here. So I wanted to hop out for just a few minutes to share some exciting news with you and to say thank you. So a few months ago, I was nominated for Microsoft's Most Valuable Professionals Award for the work I do on this channel with Excel. Now, there's just a little over 3,000 MVPs in the entire world, so you have to go through a process that once you're nominated, and thank you very much, Bill Jelen, also known as Mr. Excel, for my nomination. They come and look at the work that you've done, they check your expertise, and they make sure that you meet the criteria, and then they decide to give you the award. And I was notified today that I received the Microsoft MVP, and I cannot be more excited. And I can't say thank you enough. If you didn't come watch the tutorials, if you didn't interact with me, like them, say that they helped you, I probably wouldn't have gotten the award. It doesn't matter how much knowledge you have, it matters who you're helping. So again, thank you so much. And I will be back soon to make some more Excel tutorials with you and I guess my MVP. I don't even know what this means. I'm so excited. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.